If you are taking lemon water every day, I am very sure you are not taking all the benefits of your lemon water. Let me explain. Assalamualaikum wonderful people. I am Dr. Asma and today I will tell you the benefits of taking lemon water. I know you all know lemon are a good source of vitamin C. Actually, the benefits of the lemons are not limited to the juice of the lemon. There are more benefits of lemons in its peel than its pulp, and most of us take pulp in our lemon water. Let me tell you the flavonoids that are present in the lemon peel. So I'll take 1 minute, we'll start the timer and let's start. So number one, there is lemonin. Lemonin is antifungal, antibacterial. It reduces the stress and it increases your energy. Plus, it is neurotropic. Neurotropic means it increases the formation of nerves. It promotes the nerve growth. Secondly, it has hesperidin. Hesperidin is basically protects against cytotoxicity. Cytotoxicity is caused by pathogens. It is caused by radiation. It is caused by the numerous chemicals, insecticides, and pesticides that are sprayed on our fruits and vegetables. Thirdly, it has diosmin. Diosmin is sort of a natural painkiller and basically it protects the nerves. And fourthly, there is erocitrin. Erocitrin has the capacity of crossing the blood-brain barrier. So it can cross the blood-brain barrier, it can basically prevent the oxidative stress that is in your brain. So it is very good for all degenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, like multiple sclerosis. It protects your nerves from degeneration. What more could you ask for? So that's one thing. To gain all these benefits, you have to find a way to eat the peels along with the pulp of the lemons. So the thing is, what I do is basically when I get my lemons, I soak them in the water with bicarbonate soda for about 20 minutes, and this basically removes the effects of all the harmful insecticides and pesticides that are sprayed on the lemons. Then what I do is basically I chop them and I take out their seeds. Once I take out their seeds, I still have the peel and the pulp. I put all of that into the blender. If you want at this point, you can add anything else you like. You can add strawberries, blueberries, cranberries, whatever you like, you can add that also. But I'm keeping it simple. So along with the lemon peels and the pulp, I add some salt, some cinnamon, some stevia. Sometimes I also add black seeds or kalmanji. It is all up to you. Whatever you want, you can add to your mix. Now basically I blend it and I pour it out into my ice trays and I freeze this. Now every day I don't have to wake up and mess up my kitchen and like wash the dishes. Lemon peel ice cubes are ready. What I have to do is I take out some ice cubes and I put them in my glass of water. And what I do is, this is not a simple glass of water. I have added them to my autophagy tea. To view the recipe of the autophagy tea, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it, because we share all such recipes which are very good for your health. They will boost up your immunity and they will save you from the doctor's medicines. Anyway, you can add these ice cubes to your autophagy tea. You can add these ice cubes to your simple water. You can add these ice cubes even to your coffee or tea, whatever you like. You can take them in any way, shape or form. But the thing is, if you start your day with these ice cubes which have lemons and lemon peels, all the benefits that I told you, it is a wonderful start of the day. And in the market you will also find these silicone ice cube trays with long containers. If you freeze your lemon peel mixture in these long ice cube trays, it is very easy to just take out one cube and pour it into your bottle of water. It basically goes inside. Otherwise, those long cubes, they don't go into the mouth of the bottle. But these long ice cubes, I think they are very practical and they are very easy to use. So in my bottle of soda water also, I add like an ice cube in there and I have my lemonade soda water ready. You can take your ice cubes as you like. Let me know in the comment section below, how would you like to take your lemon peel ice cubes? Would you like to add them to your tea or your coffee or your soda water, or would you like to add them to your autophagy tea? Take care till meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.